everyone, my name is Amy Navarro. I'm here today at Stitchin Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. Excited to get to show you a program that we're running called Fancy Forest. You can see it here on my table. The two things I really wanted to mention about Fancy Forest is that we are offering this 100% pre-cut. No measuring, no cutting for you. It comes all nice and neat in little packages, clearly labeled and ready to sew. And the second thing is that we do offer backing included with this program, so you don't have to go out and purchase that separately to finish your quilt, which is lovely. You just need some batting. All right, so let's get into Fancy Forest here. This particular quilt is made and designed by Elizabeth Hartman. This guy's going to finish up at 67 inches by 91 inches, although it does come to where you can make a smaller sample size in the pattern book. I'll show you that. The smaller sample size is 35 by 47. But with this Block of the Month program, we are going to make that larger size, the 67 by 91. You can see here on the front of the pattern, Elizabeth chose to show a tan or brown background, but we have decided to do it with a gray background. So that's why we've included this extra photo for you in all color. It'll also break down for you the sections of what you're going to be sewing each month. You can see the top is these lovely blues, and then it goes into more of these fall green, orange, pink colors down at the bottom. And I'm just going to open up the pattern book for you here. It's going to, of course, give you color code, some cutting directions, but you don't need to cut it because it's going to come cut. This is where you're going to want to look. It's going to show you a sew along guide step by step with all your pre-cut fabrics. Same with the bunny. That's another really cute thing that Elizabeth has done. She's named all of these little cute critters on the front here. My favorite is Allie the Owl. I'm particular to that because my daughter's name is Allie. But there's also Hazel the Hedgehog, and Fancy Fox is on here, and there's a beautiful butterfly and some flowers. Super cute. So this is what you're going to get. As I said, all of these are pre-cut fabrics for you, and then they're going to be sectioned out. Each one of these is going to come in a bag. It's going to be labeled so you know exactly what you're going to be using to sew with it. But all the little pre-cut pieces in each little section you can see. And we're going to start up here in the blue section. That's why you see all these blues and grays. All that fabric is lovely. Okay, and then I want to talk to you about our welcome letter, guys. This is super exciting, very informational. You're going to get in your month one package along with your pattern book and your full color photo. So it's going to tell you on the front some basic information about the program, what day it's going to ship to you as it bills out, how long the program is, that it comes with the backing fabric as I mentioned, and some other information here. And as you open it up, it's going to give you another full color picture of what you're going to be making. So that's always fun to reference back to. And then it's going to come with these QR codes on the right-hand side. I'm going to give you a little information about each one of these. So let's start at the top here. This is our Facebook group QR code. With each of our Block of the Month programs, we include a Facebook group so that everyone can join and show their progress as they're making it or ask questions. You can talk to your fellow sewist in the group and give them tips and tricks if you've done this one before, or as you go along have questions. You can also ask and reach out to us here at Stitchin Heaven. We have a wonderful customer service team that will get back with you, and sometimes we'll just give general announcements on there or post videos or whatever it is that we're wanting to communicate to you about this particular Block of the Month. The next one is a digital fabric key. It's going to take you directly to what each of these fabrics goes to. Makes it super easy. And then you can sign up for our newsletter here on this third QR code. And the last one is to update any billing information. Say if you move during the middle of the program or change your phone number, you can do that there, or you can just call us, which happens to have our number here on the back, and info@Stitchin Heaven is our customer service email. So you can send questions and stuff there. It also gives store hours for our store if you would like to come visit us, which we would definitely love. So guys, I hope you really enjoy making Fancy Forest with us. We're so grateful for you to be our customers. And if you didn't have a chance to sign up for this particular block of the month program, don't worry. We always have lots to choose from over on our website. There should be a link posted here that takes you directly to our block of the month page, and you can see all the ones that we are running and will run and sign up for the ones that you enjoy. All right, guys, that's all I have for now. Y'all have a wonderful day.